All right, so what's happening, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? What up? What up? You guys are doing well today, man. It's a beautiful Monday, beautiful week. Let's get it. Right, so you guys are welcome to this live stream yet again. Because it's a Monday, obviously we're gonna have it. All right, somebody says I like the selection of the live stream songs. Oh, really? They give that vibe, right? They do. Yeah, I'll keep selecting good ones. Somebody says finally found it. Oh, okay, amazing. So somebody says it's always good to have you. Appreciate you too, man. It's always good to have you on these live streams every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's always good. Also, it says, what's good, Mr. Nas? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm doing well. The fact that we won the Champions League. Come on. The fact that we won the Champions League, I have every reason to feel good. In fact, as a matter of fact, right, I'm still wearing this jersey, man. I'm going to be wearing this jersey. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to be wearing this jersey, I think, for the next 2 months. Right? In fact, let's just make sure we show to everybody in the live video, right? Yeah, the fact that we won, man. It was crazy. I won't lie. That was like the most, the most interesting game I've watched in a long time, right? I was in my feelings like crazy that day. I was so nervous about the whole game. Someone says congratulations. Yeah, man, appreciate we won. Somebody, I don't know who that guy on the Friday live stream, he said, I'm Inter Milan, you're gonna see how we perform, what and what. You tell me on a Monday. I'm here to tell you that you guys got messed up. You were knocked in the head like that. Yeah, you played well, but unfortunately we had to win, man. It was interesting, really interesting. I had a beautiful weekend. I don't know about you guys. I really had a beautiful weekend, catching up with the games, catching up with family. It's always amazing, just off trading and all that. And most importantly, I had a beautiful week because, we graduated students from the 3-day bootcamp. That was crazy, man. Everybody got certified and everybody completed the course, which was amazing. It was amazing. All right. And I'm glad, like right now, they're making crazy trades. It's just Monday already. I took a trade earlier. Let me show you guys that. I took a trade earlier today. That's my first trade of the week so far. Somebody say, what trading software do you use? TradingView, man. It's not even a software. It's just a web version. All right, it's just a web version. Okay, let's get into the Discord. Yeah, these are like the like the certificates, whatever, that kind of thing. So everybody graduated here, which is crazy. But take a look at this. All right, take a look at this. Let me go in here. All right, so okay, somebody says what? Somebody says we love City. You just have to, you have no option. Would you hate City? Who hates City? Who hates City? Who? Inter played bad. Man City was not that strong. Yeah, Man City was playing a whole lot, nervous. The players weren't really like, doing their thing and stuff. But end of the day, the best team won, right? Yeah. Somebody says, afternoon, Mr. Nas. What's up, Timoth? What's up? Hope you're doing well today, man. Somebody says, congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations are in order. Yeah, so this is the Discord platform for the bootcamp members. As you can see, these guys are interactive. Yeah, I always say one thing, right? I'm not like one of your mentors who's gonna be like, I said this on Instagram as well this morning. I'm not one of those mentors who's gonna be like, put you in a group, and then after putting you in a group or like putting you in a platform, and then I put a boat and the boat is responding to you. Nah, I'm not that type of person, right? I put you in a platform, then I be behind the keypad. You see this? I'm the guy behind the keypad, right? I'm the guy behind the keypad right now. All right. So I'm the guy who's commenting here. I'm the guy who's talking to everybody here. You guys on the platform, you're talking directly to me, not anybody else. All right. Yeah. So yeah, I was talking about the trade I took today early morning. You can see people are killing it in here, man. It's crazy. I think this is the best bootcamp I've ever done. Right, this is the best bootcamp. Yeah, so I took this trade here. I made like 7k. I think at this point I'm running like 4k or something like that. But ultimately, I think I made like 7k. All right, and then later on, okay, earlier I took this trade based off the fact that I had a student who sent a mark out early. I think it was Caleb or something. Yeah, he sent this markup around 9. Yeah, you can see that. So he sent a markup around 9, around 9:54, right? Roughly 10 hours, 10 hours straight. And then later on, I saw that, right? I was still in bait by that time, but I saw that and I took the trade. I think 30 minutes after, I was in profits like crazy, like 4K. You know, one bait. And I'm saying thanks for the signal, right? So still in bait, but saw your markup and took it, which was beautiful. All right, so people killing it here so far, man. People really killing it. You can see this guy saying after the 3-day bootcamp, markets look different compared to how I used to look at things before. Currently running safe profits on your USD. Beautiful. You can see that. Amazing trade. You know, amazing. This is amazing trades. This is really amazing. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. Oh, $26. Oh, brilliant stuff. Brilliant stuff. You know, I'm just amazed to see how everybody's performing in here so far. You know, I always remain grateful and humble. Oh, okay, amazing stuff. Anyway, we're not here for this, right? Just want to show you guys that I took a trade earlier based off the fact that somebody in here shared it with me. One of the students from this bootcamp shared it. Not like a signal or some stuff like that, nah, but he just, you know, put out his trade and I took advantage of that. Right? Okay, somebody says, how many trades do you take a day? I take only 1 to 3 trades a day, man. I don't do more than that. Only 1 to 3 trades a day. Nothing more than that. And I recommend the same thing for you. Somebody says, okay, keep commenting. Yeah, somebody says, can I, okay, you're already commenting. You're asking if you can comment. Stop being a dummy. You're asking if you can comment, but you're commenting. Oh, okay. Just comment, no problem. These live streams are for that. Okay, let's look at USD, US 100, not USD anything. This is US 100. This is nas100. Let's take a look at this. What's happening here? Let's look at a 1 hour time frame. All right. Let's see what's happening in the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame looks like markets are moving from a certain level of support. All right. So there's a level of support here that was a bit strong. Right. This was obviously based off the daily time frame. If you remember last week Friday, I think I showed this, and then we have a level here also. Alright, so we have this level here of resistance. So we are trading in between here. We're actually trading, not ranging, if you pay attention, right? We're actually trading and not ranging, right? If you pay attention. Then we have this level here. Alright, so we have this level that markets are sort of like retesting currently. Amazing thing. Yeah, the buy I took, I think was this one earlier today. That was I think around what? Around 10, yeah. So I think somewhere around here. Was a short-term buy. So I took it and then closed off profit somewhere there. Then markets came down. So I'm good. Right now I'm good. Somebody says, how good is trading for a beginner? How good is your job for a beginner? Right? How good is your job for a beginner? Trading is just like anything. It's a profession, just like anything. You know, so you can't be asking how good is it for a beginner. If you want to start, just get started. If you don't want to start, leave us alone. Right? If you want to get started, just get started. If you don't want to get started, just leave us alone and just focus on your thing. All right. So yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Let's go 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what's happening there. 30 minutes time frame. We have this current level of support here. All right. Markets form support around here. If you pay attention, then we can readjust this level to somewhere here. And then we can say, okay, fine. So that means that we also have this as a level of resistance, right? Oh yeah, we have this. So I said, yes, sir. Yeah, man. Let's go. Okay, we have this level of resistance currently. All right. And don't forget, we have CPI coming up tomorrow. All right, brilliant day. We have CPI coming up tomorrow. All right, so you know, be careful as you're trading and stuff like that. It's gonna be an interesting CPI. You know, can't wait for that tomorrow. Unfortunately, I can't live stream because it's a Tuesday. Yeah, but I'll talk about it. Let's see if I can talk about it as we go. So I think I'm looking for currently markets look like they're set up for buys. Right, so I think buys all the way to anywhere here. If we break this area here, buys all the way to there, which is 14,600. Yeah, 14,000. Now 14,006. Is it 14,006? Yeah, 14,650. I think. Yeah. So I think somewhere there. So if we break this resistance area here, I think we go all the way here. If we break this area, I think we fly all the way to like 14,007 or something. That's the next psychology level, right? 14,007. So 14,007 should be somewhere here. All right, 14,007 should be here. Yeah, psychology level here. So if we break this area here, I can look for more buys all the way up, but I have to wait and see what kind of candles close here. All right, that's the thing about me. I always want to wait and see what kind of candle will close, right? The problem with you guys is this: you guys are always rushing the process. You guys always want to, make sure you're having trades. You want to trade 10 times a day. I'm not like you, right? That's the reason why I'm consistent. I take a few trades, maybe 1 or 2 trades. Today, so far, I've only taken 1 trade, and probably I'll take the last trade or the last 2 trades for the day, and that's it. All right, that's pretty much how I go about things, right? So I'll say the same thing for you too. How long do someone have to take to learn forex trading? Well, it depends with your brand, right? If you're jacked up, it shouldn't take you so long. All right, but if you are slow, if you are really slow, forget about trading, right? Just focus on your job or something like that. But you can learn trading in a week. You can learn trading in a day. You can learn trading in 3 days. I taught people how to trade in 3 days. Last week, 3 days. All right, we started off on Wednesday, we did Thursday, and we did Friday. By Saturday, everybody was graduated. Everybody was done with the course. And right now, this is Monday. People are already performing well. 3 days. So you can learn trading in 3 days, or even a day if you're serious. All right, so yeah, anyway, yeah, if we break this level, we go all the way to here, which is 14,654 or 14,650. And then if we break this area, obviously we are going to look for buys to 14,007. All right, now if we don't do that, okay, bear in mind we have this level of support currently. Okay, if we break that level of support, maybe we might head down all the way to, I think, firstly 14,542 or 14,540, around that area. All right, that's if we break this level here, right? So my key interest here is waiting to see how the 30 minutes candles close anywhere in between these two levels, 14,628 and 14,593. So we'll see what happens. Someone says, just tapped in. How are you doing, sir? I'm doing well, man. Look, we won. Why shouldn't I be doing well? Right? We won. Why shouldn't I be doing well? So I'm doing good, man. Doing the best that I can. Just home chilling. Today I woke up so late. My son, after I woke up, my son just couldn't get off bed. So he was like, let's sleep some more. Let's just be in bed. Let's just play around some more. So woke up a bit late today. I think I was up like around 11 or something like that. It was crazy. And I know why. It's because I had a hectic weekend. Most of the time I'm home, like during weekdays, working from home and stuff like that. But over this weekend, we made a couple moves, watching a game, and a couple of other things. Anyway, it was a good weekend. All right. Somebody says, how old are you? Everybody always asks this question. That's so unnecessary to your growth and success in trading, right? Focus on what I'm here for, right? If you ask me how old I am, that won't benefit your life in any way. All right. You'll always be asking, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Oh, that won't benefit you in any way. Ask me questions that will benefit you, right? Because I'm only here for an hour, so you better ask me questions that will benefit you. Anything outside topic, well, you might think I'm rude, but I'm not. All right. Somebody says, your mentor also matters. Yeah, your mentor matters too. Timothy says that, right? It matters who you're learning trading from, right? It matters who you're learning trading from. If you are learning from some dumb guy who doesn't know what he's doing, he's gonna teach you MACD and all these butterflies and all these, RSI. He's gonna teach you how to use alligator. No. That stuff is crazy. If he's gonna teach you all these indicators, get ready to not be consistent. Get ready to not learn trading anytime soon. All right. So I think your mentor matters too, like Timothy said it. All right. Find a guy who knows what he's doing. Find a guy who can explain these things to the best of your understanding. All right. And if you have to pay the price for that, go ahead and pay. All right. If you don't want to pay the price for that, get ready to just lean by yourself and let's see how you do. All right. Yeah. So I would say break below here we look for sells. Break above here we look for more buys, probably to like 14,007. Yeah. That's for nas100. Let's see what's happening on gold. I was looking for buys on gold earlier. right? I didn't take the buys because I'm just a whole lot patient. You know, Mondays for me, I always tell you guys this one thing. Mondays for me are the most patient. Oh, what the hell? I just missed this buy. If it was you, right, you'd be like trying to, you know, like you're all over the place. Your emotions are all over the place. I'm not that kind of person, right? If I miss a trade, I miss it. I'm like, okay, fine. Right, so okay, what do we have here? Let's see. Okay, we have a resistance level somewhere here. Key level of resistance, right? If it's broken, right, we should head up for more buys to around here. All right, so I would say, okay, let's take out these. This is not really like you know, so let's try and like make it on the minus side, because we're looking at one spot in level, right? Then we're looking at this area here. If we break here, obviously we go there, but it's almost like the same area. All right, and the fact that we had that wick there, so we might come in for a wick fill. All right, so either this or either that is within the same range, because we have this whole wick here. If you guys can notice that we have this wick here, right? So meaning that this was a level of exhaustion for buyers. All right, so buyers came in and they got exhausted. The markets came back. All right, so if we break above this area here, 1964, is it? Yeah, 1964. If we break above this area, yeah, we look for more buyers upside. All right, then we can say, okay, we have a level of support based off the fact that, yeah, on the downside here, okay, if you notice, we have markets creating support here. All right, do you guys see that? That we have markets creating support right there. Okay, so basically markets creating support here. I'm not going to mark out anything else outside this, all right, because this is enough for me. All right, so I would wait to see, okay, what happens. Is this candle going to close above here? If it does, we'll take more buys all the way upside there. Okay, if we close above this area here, which is 1965, if we break off this level, we go all the way upside. Okay, if we don't, obviously we break off, you know, below here, which is the current level of support, 1963. If we break 1963, we go all the way downside to probably, you know, of course, because of the fact that we were trading downside this side, you can see markets making highs. All right, look at this. You can see markets doing this. Okay, a high there, a low. Okay, a high there, a low. Okay, a high there. Okay, low. Okay, maybe a high there. Okay, then a low. Okay, maybe then a high there. Okay, then maybe high there. Okay, something like that. Okay, if we get something like this, right, we might keep on trending upside. Someone says, how much does it cost to be in your VIP signal group? Apparently, I'm not taking anybody for signals right now. All right, I'm not taking anybody for signals right now. All right, yeah, I actually only have, like, I think less than 15 people in the signal room currently, right? And there are always going to be people who are trying to fight us, like, oh, you're making money from signals, you're making money from signals. Oh, okay, do the same. Let's see. You know, it's crazy. Do the same. Let's see. Open a signal room. Let's see who's going to join it and give them the value that they need, right? Let's see who's going to join that. So always going to have people, oh, these guys make money from courses. Oh, do the same. Let's see. Let's see if you can make money from that. Let's see if you can give the same value we give. Let's see if you can make people understand these concepts the way we do. Let's see if you can invest your time in talking to people like this. You know, I sit here every single, like I stay away from my family and I'm sitting here. I should be my family there. I'm sitting here talking to you guys. Let's see if you can do that too. Oh, let's see if you can do that. If you can do that too, well, make money then. Oh, that's off topic anyway. Yeah, if we are creating support already, we've created support here, meaning markets are headed upside. So I think we have a more probability of markets going up here than actually going down. So I'm thinking a long position probably best there, and then you can say, okay, TP there. Okay, if we break that area, maybe we might head up for TP outside this week. All right, somewhere there, because we're probably going back for a week fill, and then probably stop loss somewhere here. Yeah, I think so. Okay, somebody says, at Butterflies, enjoying the live stream so far, quality value. Yeah, you know, it's always quality value here. Nothing less than quality value, you know. It's always about that. You know, no gimmicks, no games, no nothing like that. What helps you become a better trader? Well, just you know, knowing the right things, okay? Knowing the right way of trading, getting the right information, having the right styles, keeping things really simple. You see, I told somebody over the weekend, I met this guy. He's just a random guy. I don't even know who he is. We just met by the mall, and then he approached me. He's like, "Hey, I've seen you on Instagram. You know, a friend of mine talks about you." Okay. Talk to me now. What is the issue? And the guy told me, "Okay, look, I think I'm struggling with trading. I think I know all the things to do. I have all information about trading, but I'm not consistent." And I told the guys, I said, "Look, if you're not consistent, it's because you know nothing about trading. You can claim you know everything about trading like you say, but you know nothing. Why? You're not consistent. You don't know how to trade, basically, right?" And you see one funny thing, right? One funny thing is that most of you guys actually are not struggling with trading. You are firstly struggling with yourself, right? Here's a person who's struggling with themselves to a point where they feel like, I've met people who ultimately just think trading is a scam. Like, this thing doesn't work. You know why? They tried it first themselves. They lost money. They blew up their accounts. They failed to be consistent. Then they assumed trading is a scam. And then even if they can find a person who's really consistent, they'll never believe that trading works. They'll be like, no, that's a scam. You know, that's a scam. They always, anybody they see who's doing well in this niche, they'll be like, nah, this is a scam. Nah, that is a scam. You put up a course, nah, this is a scam. So it's always going to be those people, right? And those people actually are struggling with themselves. They need help, all right? They really need 100% help, maybe even 1,000% help, all right? And most of you guys probably in that space, you're really struggling. You know, you're struggling with yourself, not even with trading, all right? You know, the other way you're struggling with yourself is this, look, right? You're failing to keep and stick to one style of trading, and you keep searching all around, right? You keep searching on these Instagram guys, right? Hitting up every Instagram guy who's claiming to be trading and be like, "Okay, you know, teach me how to trade. I want to be a trader. You know, show me your style." And the more you do that, you're really struggling with yourself, right? And the probability of you being profitable are so slim, really slim. You probably will never be profitable. I hope you guys get that, right? I know people are struggling with themselves so bad that they just believe everything is a scam, right? They don't see value where value is. Do anything they can't. They don't believe that stuff works, right? Yeah, they've tried it before and it didn't work for them, so they don't believe anything works. I saw the buy, but I just didn't like how the last M30 candle. Oh, really? Not M30 candle. The last one was also okay, but yeah, I think the best candle to wait for is the current candle right now. All right, this current candle here. This is gold, guys. This is actually gold. So we're waiting to see how this candle will close. All right, so let's see how that candle closes. It's closing in about 4 minutes from now. In fact, I think like 3 minutes 20 seconds from now. Yeah, if my time serves me well. All right, somebody says, is your trading inspired by ICT concepts? No. Who's ICT concepts? Who the hell is ICT concepts? No, I don't even know who that is. I don't even know what concepts those are. This is basically me having studied charts and realizing certain concepts on the charts based off my self-study. If it looks like it's inspired by anybody, I don't know what the hell that is, man. Anything for NAS. I spoke about NAS earlier. Matthews? Is it Matthew, I think? I spoke about NAS just earlier, right? We spoke about that, right? We'll probably go back to NAS and see. The nas100 break actually... okay, what I'm trying to say. Someone says, my man's representing the treble. Yeah, you already know, man. We did it. Thanks again for the quality info. It's slowly helping change my view on the charts. Beautiful. I love to hear that, man. I love to hear that. You know, the goal here is to help you, right? The goal here is to make you a better trader. All right, that's the goal here. Any bootcamp oncoming? I don't promise on any. If we do any, I'll let you guys know. But we just concluded one last week, so I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, I'm actually getting a lot of feedback from people who are asking, bootcamp, what? Oh, okay. You know, the fact that we did applications on the last one and we only had to pick 20 people out of like 100 people, people thought it was a joke. So we only picked 20 people. People were like, no, maybe you're going to take more people. Come on. Right, so I'll let you guys know if you have any other bootcamp. I'll have to set some time. And this stuff is really time consuming, right? It's so stressful. You need a lot of time. You need to spare time for, because when you are attending to people, right, you need to invest yourself into them so bad, right? And just, you know, understanding the people you're dealing with and all that kind of things is hectic, right? So I'll let you guys know if we have any. I don't promise right now. Right now I'm just chilling, trading my accounts, and yeah. yeah, maybe helping a few students in the background and all that kind of thing. Okay, let's look at Euro. Okay, let's check out NAS. What's going on with NAS right now? Let's see what's happening with NAS. You see why I'm saying we wait for candles to close? Are you seeing what's happening on gold right now? It's silly, right? Very silly. All right, so you wait for candles to close. I'm pretty much sure this candle is about to close bearish, meaning we have a level of resistance formed here. A bit on the minor side to me. Yeah, so if we don't take off here, we probably might take off somewhere here. All right, but I'm the type who wait for New York station. All right, so even if I'm giving you guys all this is the New York station breakdown. All right, so meaning most of these trades I will take them in New York station. That's the reason why it's a New York station live coverage, right? Most of the trades that I discuss here, I normally take them in New York station. All right, that's the reason why at 3 p.m. I go off this live stream and go and take the trades. All right, that's the thing that I do. Do you sell Forex courses? Florence, you are back. Florence is the guy hiding behind the mom's account. That's Florence. Florence said this by himself last week. He said, "This is my mom's YouTube account." So I use my mom's YouTube account to actually connect, which is okay, right? We don't judge you, Florence. Florence the guy, right? So yeah, if you're asking me if I sell Forex courses, I don't know. I hope that makes you feel better. But I teach people how to trade. I don't sell courses. I teach them how to trade. If that makes sense. I give people the right information. I give people the right tools. I show people the right way on how to do things. And they pay me money for that. And I'm like chilling. You know, I use the money to do a couple of things. Maybe settle a few deals here and there. Maybe do a few things and stuff. Nothing crazy. Could you possibly break down GBP USD? No, I don't trade GBP USD. I don't trade USD Chef or USD CHF. I don't trade that stuff. So I don't break down such things. Right? I only trade Euro USD. I trade gold. I trade Nasdaq. Three things only. Right? Okay. You see that? Three things. 3 things only. Someone says, "If you hit the gym today?" No, man, I didn't hit the gym today. My son, you know what happened today? My son didn't want to get out of bed. Right, I try to get him off bed. He cries, so he just wants us to be laying in bed the whole time, right? So it's like, oh, okay, I will still probably do a couple workouts later on in the day because there's still time. This is just 2 p.m. I'll probably do a couple workouts maybe like around like 5 p.m. when I'm done with my trading and stuff. Right, I have one of my students coming over to my home. Isa is coming again today to my home. Isa is an amazing guy. He's coming over again to my home today, and we're trying to do up a few things. So I think after I have a meeting with him, then I have a couple of things going on still. After that, I have a Zoom session with a certain group of people. Then after that, I probably maybe have my lunch, and then after that, probably I'll do like some workouts home. Yeah, probably that. Yeah. So we can shift this now to here, right? Because that's resistance formed. Okay, so now we can say, okay, because the thing about trading, right? The thing about trading is that you keep on adjusting according to market conditions, according to what markets keep printing out. All right, if markets print out different candles as of present, you keep on adjusting to those candles. All right, that's pretty much how I trade. If they keep on printing different candles, I keep on adjusting to those candles. All right, so here if we break this level with a close of a bearish candle somewhere here, probably we might head down to here. Okay, but if not, if we break this level, of course, right, with a bullish candle, we probably will head up to here. And then if we break here, we probably go all the way up to here. So I think 80% high probability setup is the upside setup. The downside setup is not really high probability, probably like 30%, because it's got like a small pip range in motion, I would say, like small pip range if you look at the left side, right? So nothing crazy going on here. All right, so let's see gold. What kind of candle close on gold? You know what, the best I can do here is just duplicate my tab. That's what this thing is for. I don't know why I keep on just doing all this crazy stuff. Usually I'm doing it like this. I have like different tabs here, and then I just keep on switching up. I don't know what the hell is going on today. I think I'm being a retard too. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so this is gold. Okay, why is gold opening like this? I think it didn't load or something. You see that candle close bearish, right? With a weak upside, meaning we still have rejection. Maybe markets want to retest here. All right, so I'll be waiting still, man. I'll probably still be waiting to see what kind of candles form. No rush. No rush. That's how we trade. No rush. What broker do you use? The link is right in the description. I use FX Pro only, man. Not any of these your brokers, right? The ones that scam you, right? I use FX Pro only. I didn't take this trade in case anybody be like, oh, did you take the trade? Nah, if you follow the live stream, I was explaining something, right? So don't be like, oh, did you take that trade? I just hit stop loss. Nah, nobody took that trade. So just relax. All right, nobody took that trade. If you took it, you're such a dummy, because I was explaining something different, and then if you took that trade, I don't know. You're just a dummy, I think. Right. Anyway, so we'll say, okay, we have a level here too. Right, this is the New York live coverage, right? Meaning most of the trades that I discuss on here, I take them in New York station. Obviously, after 3 p.m., then I take the trades, right? 3 p.m., 3:30, that's when I take the trades, right? So right now, I'm discussing trades and all that, giving you guys ideas behind different setups that might turn out for the day, right? So yeah. So we have this level here, and now we have this level, right? We keep waiting for candles. I say the best buys, remember what I said? I said the best buys should be at least above here, right? Anywhere close above here, we'll have the best buys there, okay? Any buys below that level could be a little bit risky, right? You might be trying to be an early bird, but could be a little bit risky. Okay, somebody says, how are you, Mr. Nas? I'm good, man. I'm good. I said I'll be wearing this jersey for the next two months. So don't ask me if we meet, like, why do you keep wearing this jersey? You already know. This is our first UEFA win, man. Our first cup for the UEFA. We've never won any UEFA. We've come close. We've been at the final before. We just never won. Last time we were with Chelsea. The other time with Madrid. They still beat us. And this time around we won in Inter Milan. That was crazy. You know, it was a crazy feeling. I was the happiest man, you know, with my love for football, soccer. Oh man, it's crazy. Okay, let's see what we have here. Guys, let me pick an important call right now. Alright, so sorry about that. I had to pick a call. Very important call, man. Very, very important call. You know, trying to smash out a few business ventures and all that. So yeah. Anyway, this is gold. Yeah. So we keep monitoring gold, nas100. Yeah, okay, see, this now is like a range, small range here. So a break upside, a break downside, we look for either buys or sells. All right, somebody says, is New York station 3 p.m. or 3:30? Okay, New York station starts off at 3, all right? but the actual open is 3 p.m. for the New York station, for the New York exchange, right? It's 3:30. All right. So the session itself starts around 3. Okay, because there's nobody should ever tell you that there is a specific minute, right, when things, get to like speed up. Okay, it's 3:30. Yeah, you can say 3:30, but at the same time, at 3 itself, right, things get moving. All right, that's still New York station. Yeah, 3 p.m. Zambian time or UTC. It's the same thing. UTC is Zambian time. Yeah, so UTC is Zambian time because it's like +2, right? Okay, somebody says, I love how clean your charts look. Really makes this understanding your methodology easy. Yeah, man. Yeah, I told my students, I always tell them this: keep things really simple. Nothing crazy here. Just keep them a whole lot simple, right? Don't be trying to make trading like it's art, right? Trying to paint your charts with different colors. Come on now. Come on. Okay, somebody says, can you break down USD, JPY? I don't trade that stuff, guys. I won't break down anything I don't trade. Okay, I'm here only to break down gold, Euro USD, and nas100. That's it. Okay, somebody says, what time does the New York station open? I think I said 3:30 or 3 p.m. itself. All right. Yeah. Is it advisable to start trading with $20? Just use that money to buy some airtime or something, or just buy some bread, right? Don't use $20 to trade. Go use that money to like just, yeah, I think you can afford bread in that money. Yeah, maybe like 10 loaves of bread. Go buy 10 loaves of bread and stock them up in the house, right? Or probably like just give your family to just eat bread for a whole week, right? I don't recommend trading with $20. That's the worst you can do. Okay, yeah, if you want to trade with $20, get ready never to make serious money. You probably will make it $1, $2, $5. I don't recommend that. Just buy yourself some bread and whatever, that kind of thing, right? So I don't recommend $20 and stuff. Yeah, I won't be the guy who's gonna tell you, yeah, I've traded $20 before in synthetics, what and what. I just don't recommend that. So if you ask me if it's okay, it's not okay. There's nothing right about that. Treat trading more serious, like a business, right? If you want to make serious money, all right, you want to make serious money, okay? Compound that $20 and compound it to probably like $500 or probably like $300, right? And then you can, everybody's laughing. Then now you can use that money to trade a better account. Now you can scale up a little bit more, all right? And now let me talk also about like just funding itself as a topic, right? Let's talk about that. All right. Now, with funding, there are like different ways in which you can actually go about it, right? One is obviously personal funding. The other one is now what's currently, the thing now is, funded accounts, right? Where like, you show a certain company that you have skills and they fund you, right? Like 100,000, like 10,000, like 50,000, like 200,000, whatever, right? Then they give you the money, then you trade, and then whatever you make, it's cut on cut, right? They keep like maybe 10% or like 20%, you keep like 80% or like 90%, whatever that kind of thing is. But I'll tell you guys this one thing, right? What the hell makes you think you will prove to a company that you can trade better, and then they will fund you if you can't prove the same to yourself? All right. Most of you guys are like, I'm working on a funded account. I want to purchase a funded account. But what makes you think you're going to prove to a funded account that you are consistent if you can't prove the same to yourself? You know what I recommend? I recommend whatever money you have, right? If it's like 1,000, compound it to like 5,000 or maybe like 10,000. I recommend 5,000, 10,000. Then use that money, fund your account, okay? Prove to yourself that you are profitable first, okay? Trade that account, take it step by step. It can take you 3 months, it can take you 4 months, it can take you, it can take you like, 5 months, it can take you 6 months, whatever time it's going to take you, right? But look at the future, be more futuristic about it, right? So fund with that, all right? Fund your own money, prove to yourself that you are consistent, all right? Trade and see if you will make consistent wins over a period of time, maybe a month, 2 months, all right? Not a week, not 2 weeks now. I said a month or 2 months or 3 months. Prove to yourself that you are consistent. After you've proven to yourself that you are consistent, definitely you make money on that account. Maybe you make like an extra 10K, maybe like an extra 20 grand, maybe like an extra 15 grand, right? When you make that extra 20 grand or 15 grand, now you can use that profits, withdraw those profits and purchase a funded account. As simple as that, right? Why I'm saying that is because you can't prove to a funding company that you are good for them to fund you before you prove to yourself. So most of you guys be trying to, okay, because it's more capital. Okay, there's this funding company that I can pass the step one, and they have all these rules, right? They have all these rules like, okay, these drawdown rules are here. Okay, this is, you can lose more than 10%. Okay, you can lose more than 6% a day. You can lose, and they have all those rules. Now, what makes you think you are going to stick within those rules if you can't do the same with your own accounts, right? So lots of people are retards because they think, well, okay, let me strive for a funded account, and they keep on losing money, okay, because they keep on donating to funding companies. You see how funding companies make money? Two ways, all right? Your subscription fees, and when you trade and make profits and withdraw, and then they keep a certain percentage, then you keep a certain percentage. Now, the other way of the other part of it, the first part obviously is your subscription fees. Then the other part obviously is where if you pass the challenges, and then they give you accounts, and then like when you're trading on those accounts, you're making money. That's how they make money. Now the second part, they know it's only 2% out of like 98% of people who approach them that actually manage to make money with the 2%. Okay, now the 98% are you guys, all right? You guys who can prove to yourself on your own accounts, all right, and then you constantly lose money, and then now you feel like, okay, if I get a funded account, then probably I'll make more money, and then you keep on losing money like that. Okay, they charge like $500 for like a 100K account, okay, like 200 and whatever dollars for like a 50K account, and then you keep on going in that circle, right? Year out, year in, year out, year in, and it's crazy. I hope that's value enough. I don't know if that's helpful, but I think it is. Somebody says, oh, 2 months. Oh yeah, I spoke about just use the $20 to buy bread. Yes, so buy some bread. Somebody says, I've always wondered how long it took you to understand yourself and how it played a role in your psychology. Could you elaborate? Well, understanding yourself does not really have like a certain time frame to it. Like, okay, I can understand my approach better probably like in 2 months or no, right? You have to put yourself in a position where you experience the markets, open a live account, experience how it is to trade with real money on live liquidity, right? On actual liquidity, to trade with real money on these actual markets, live liquidity, right? And that's pretty much how best you can understand yourself as a person, because when you give yourself like a time, okay, let's say a month or like 2 months or like 3 months, in that period of time, right, you'll be observing how it is what kind of person you are. Are you greedy? All right, are you impatient? Right, are you scared? Then you observe that, right? The more you observe those things, write them down and just take note how best you could actually work on those strongholds that are holding you back from being profitable. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. Keep on commenting, guys. Okay, now here we have nas100. It looks like it's going bullish. Let's see what's happening on gold. Oh, gold. Okay, gold is acting like that girl that you're always crushing on, and then you just keep on sending her text messages, and then she just never responds to you, right? And then she only responds to you whenever she feels like. And then sometimes she responds and she gives you just excuses. That's what gold is doing right now. It's just being silly. And you know why it's being silly? If you check the left side, there's a range this side. Okay, so it's okay. It can be silly like that. It's fine. It definitely is going to be silly. How do you pay taxes as a trader? I pay taxes using my TP, but not as much. Currently here in my country, I'm not paying as much taxes. Yeah, I have a TP and I pay taxes, but not really as crazy as such. Right, because trading hasn't really been noticed as much here in this country. Yeah, it's there. It's been existing for a long time, even years. But you see here in my country, 99% of the population is filled with retards, people who actually don't think ahead. They don't see bigger opportunities. They don't look at digital platforms as platforms that you can make money from. So end of the day, you know what happens? They stick to the traditional way of doing things. The jobs. Yeah, working for Chinese guys. That's what's common in my country here. Working for Indian guys. Yeah, they love that. They don't like the idea of just independence. Like you see me right now. I'm home chilling with my family. I'm just talking to you guys, of course, because I love talking to you guys, right? But I'm here home. After this, I chill with my family. I'm just okay, like I decide what I want to do. Okay, right now I think let's go grab some ice cream. Okay, fine. It's Monday. Go out with pajamas. We're there by the mall. Grab some ice cream. Okay, fine. Okay, today's Monday. What else? What else can we do? Okay. Okay, let's go and check out this car we're thinking of buying at this showroom. Is there any progress? Okay, we go there, we drive there. Okay, is there any progress? How this car? Okay, fine, come back. Right, we do whatever we want to do at our own time. Right, but most of the retards in my country, like 99% of them, they love their jobs so bad. They love their jobs even more than their wives and their husbands and whatever. They love their jobs. They're so committed to their jobs. I'm not trying to say a job is a bad thing, right? But people in my country, they love working for Chinese guys. I don't know, they just love that. Like they love working for Indian guys. They're just like, okay, that's my boss. They even feel like, okay, when they tell you Chinese guy is their boss, to be like, wow, okay, so Chinese guy is your boss. Okay, that's how it is here. So, so it's not like a thing where even the government, even like ZRAs, like already highlighting on these things. Okay, there's trading. Let's see how best we can tax these guys because they're bringing in more money. Let's see how best we can get. No, they're focused so much on the other side of life. Yeah, Indian guys, how to say it? Yeah, Chinese guys actually more here in my country. But you guys know, if you're a Zambian, you know. Like obviously you have a friend who's working for a Chinese guy, or probably you have like a your wife or your husband is working for an Indian guy, whatever. I'm sure you have that, right? And it's common here in my country. So yeah, they love that. I don't know. Just enjoy. This candle is about to close in like 10 minutes. So yeah, might look good for buys if it closes above those highs, right above these highs here. Might look good for a buy. And like I always say, set your stop loss below the candle. All right, or above the candle if you are selling. That's the best way you can go about risks, right? Don't be like, I'll trade on hope. Okay, even if it breaks here, maybe to range in here and then it will go back up. No, that's stupid, right? Yeah, I know some of you guys will be like, okay, if I buy here, but I'll still have like room in case maybe it gets here and then it goes down here and then maybe it ranges and then all that, as it's doing that, then maybe to go up like this. Man, that's being stupid. Like, look, you bought right here, right? Why is all this room being left for drawdown? Like, why? Right? Why not, okay, after buying there and then you put your stop loss if you were to buy there? Why not after buying there you put your stop loss even here? Okay, just below that candle, right? Simple as that. Because if markets break the law of this candle, definitely they keep on going downside, right? Simple like that. So I don't know. Oh man, people are laughing so bad today. I think I'm becoming a comedian than a trader. Is that a sign? You guys are laughing so hard. Yeah, but I like the fact it's part of the interaction, you just crack some jokes. And I told you guys, I tweeted the other day, I said I'm the most interesting guy you can ever actually have a conversation with. But I'll make you laugh, but I also make you see sensible things in the things I look at myself. All right, somebody says, I love your energy. Yeah, I'm always like this, man. That's why my family always loves. Right now, they want me to just get off this. They just can't wait for me to get off this so we can, go out, all out with our day. That's why even my students love me, because they know if I say today we have a webinar, like I'm thinking of doing a webinar on Wednesday with everybody on the student platform, and then we have FOMC. So I'm thinking of doing a live stream with everybody on the students platform, just so like a live stream FOMC and all that kind of thing. Definitely, if I put up that, everybody will be like just trying to be there, not only for the FOMC, but because they love the way we talk about things. That makes sense. Yeah, facts. I know that. Any thoughts on CPI tomorrow? CPI is tomorrow. Let's see what can happen. So you guys know CPI has a negative relationships with your assets, right? So if it's positive, markets drop. If it's negative, markets go up, right? But at the same time, I like to trade CPI mostly with pending orders, right? Pretty much because much as I might know, okay, I'm anticipating. Let's say, okay, like currently we're going to be looking at. Okay, let's look at the monthly. The monthly CPI. Okay, so January we are sitting at 0.1%. Then we, fell off a bit to negative 0.1%. Then we fell up. We went up to 0.5. Then we slightly went down to 0.4. Then 0.1. Then now we are at 0.4. All right. So the monthly figure hasn't really been as consistent as such. So I think let's look at the core figure. Right, core here has been 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.4, 0.4. We've been stuck in between 0.4, okay, around 0.4 for the core CPI. All right, last time we were forecasting 0.3. This time around, what's the focus? Okay, the focus this time around is that we maintain 0.4. That's for core CPI. And then if you look at, okay, monthly CPI, the focus here is that we go up to 0.4%. Now, that's not it. The focus right now is that we go up to 0.2%. We go down to 0.2%. That's going down from 0.4%, meaning they're expecting a decrease in CPI, in their monthly CPI. And then also they're expecting, okay, let's see, they're expecting core CPI to remain the same, okay, and then they're expecting the monthly CPI, all right, to drop, okay. So I'm thinking most likely, all right, we might get, like a low CPI, which could push markets even further up. Yeah, this is a simple analysis that I've just done here, using my brain, just like you can use your brain too, right? It's a simple analysis I've done here. So they're expecting, okay, CPI focus is 4.1%, and then the previous was like 4.9. So they're expecting that market should decrease in terms of CPI report. They're expecting a decrease from 4.9 to 4.8. If you look at the marginal difference there, it's like 0.8%. So meaning they're most likely going to print out a lower CPI than a higher CPI. Right, most likely going to bring out a lower CPI than a higher CPI. Right, if you look at history also, I've just done that, right? So I'm thinking we might get a lower CPI, and then that would indicate markets to push up, right? Because when CPI is low, that means that the cost of living is, is becoming relatively okay, right? All right, that's what it means. Because overall, the cost of price, the cost of price, or rather the prices of goods and services, right? The prices of goods and services are ultimately just, not really too balanced, but okay, right? From you buying your milli meal at 180 kwacha, now at least you're buying it for like 150 kwacha, right? So CPI has reduced, so consumer price index has actually reduced. So ultimately, yeah, we might be looking at that tomorrow. Right, this is very easy to trade. Just spot your levels around this hour, set your targets, your pending orders, whatever, that kind of thing, with this information, and you tell me about it. Yeah, okay, gold still being that crazy girlfriend, went down, rejected, and still looks like it wants to maintain this level. Guys, I don't use a paid version of TradingView, right? So mine is free. I've always used the free one. I tried paying for TradingView at some point. It didn't make any difference because my trading style doesn't really need me to pay for TradingView, right? So I know most of you guys. I saw a guy the other day, right? After I asked people, like, what did you use your profits on the first time you made profits? The guy said, I paid for TradingView. I'm like, what the hell did you just do right there? Right? Like, come on. Like, paying for TradingView doesn't make you, doesn't give you a better platform, doesn't make you a good trader, doesn't make you, no, right? Come on. The last time I paid for TradingView, just went on like a paid version of TradingView, I think that was like 2 years ago, Yeah. And then from then, I've just been using the free version because there's nothing paid that I need here. But people be acting funny. Someone says he just had to say, okay, I think I spoke about that. Bro, you're living life. Just like you, man, you're living life too. Florence, you're living life too. Florence, I think get your own YouTube account, right? Last time you told me you're using your mom's YouTube account. So get your own YouTube account, so that we can know who Florence is. Because I think Florence is your mom's name, right? You said that yourself last time. So I think get yourself a YouTube account. It's easy. Just go on Google, search YouTube, or just create account and then use your names. And then, you can upload your profile, or maybe like just upload it, a chart. Like most of you guys do it. They like open an account and they put like a profile, like charts. Like they put like trades, to just make it look like they're pros in trading and like they know so much about trading and stuff like that, right? So you can do the same thing, right? Just go ahead and do that. I think Florence, you need to do that, man. I appreciate your giveaway value, Mr. Nas. Good day, by the way. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I'm doing well, man. Thanks a lot, Isaac. I appreciate that. We're enjoying the live, man. Oh, okay, Florence. But like I said, Florence, get yourself a YouTube account. It's very easy to do. I can help you with that. Just hit me up. I can help you with that. It's very easy. I won't charge you for that now. I won't. I can help you with that. Okay, this candle is about to close in like in like 2 minutes, a minute 30 seconds, right? So let's see if it closes above these highs, right? Might set up for buys. Guys, I'm about to end this live stream. Hopefully we enjoyed today, right? It's a boring Monday, nothing crazy going on, but at the same time, I think we enjoyed, right? It's been a brilliant one for me. We're about to get off. Hopefully we enjoy today. Hopefully. Why is he using his mom's account? Florence has to explain why he's using his mom's account. Because he explained last time, and he said, you know what he said? He said he just uses his mom's account, right? But he's a guy. Because I assumed Florence was a lady, and then he said, nah, I'm actually a guy. I'm just using my mom's account. So yeah, Florence. Yeah. Anyway, guys, hopefully we enjoyed today. Did we enjoy today? If you enjoyed, just like the video. I'm asking you to do that. Do me a favor. I did do that before, right? I'm always doing a live stream. I'm using data, right? I'm using Wi-Fi here, and I'm paying for this stuff, right? And I'm also my time and my platforms, right? And I'm just giving you guys free content, free value, right? So just do me a favor, just like the video, right? Just click the like. It's easy, right? Just like. Simple. Nothing crazy, just like. Vega is on the live video. Vega is a good guy. He's one of my friends, one of my close friends. Beautiful, amazing guy. He's on the live video right now. So shout out to you. Yeah, someone says, why? Okay, I think I answered that. New York opens in the next 30 minutes. Is it advisable to enter nas100 when the bullish candle closes? Yeah, I think I just mentioned that. This could be a good sign that markets will continue pushing up. Yeah, but I'll wait for 3:30. Because sometimes there'll be those candles up when they open and the market start doing that thing, and then they, we test lows before they can push up. So maybe I might be waiting for that. But still, markets look more bullish right now. Yeah, I always enjoy this. Oh, okay, anytime, Shepherd. Please make sure you always join Wednesdays, Fridays, and Mondays, right? You can hit up your family, your fellow traders, your friends who are struggling with trading. Just hit them up. Like, look, he's always live around this time on YouTube. Just join in and whatever, So, yeah. Someone says, guys, did we enjoy today? Right? Just comment something if you enjoyed today. I'm about to end this stuff, right? If you enjoyed today, just comment something right there. Let me see if you enjoyed today. And we'll see you on Wednesday, right? Today has been beautiful. 1 hour well spent with you guys as usual, right? I won't do more than this today. Right? I'm just chilling. I have recovered from the cough. I've recovered from the cold. Not fully, but I'm good now. Right? You can hear my voice. Can you guys hear? Can you hear it? Oh yeah, I've recovered from that, right? So we'll do like some workouts later after these. Not really now because I think it's a bit sunny. I'm normally working out from the backyard here. I'm not going to any gym right now. I used to like doing that, but right now I'm just working out from. I have some equipment that I bought, so I have working out from the outside. And yeah, I haven't worked out this weekend. Because of the busy schedules and stuff like that. I was just feeling lazy, I think. Today I was supposed to work out in the morning, but my son was like, let's lazy around in bed, let's sleep some more, let's just be playing around. And we were playing around in the morning. So, and the mom was like, nah, you guys play and stuff. But yeah, I should be working out later on in the day. I recommend that for you guys too, right? Work out, stay fit, keep fit, right? Drink some vitamins, eat some good food and stuff. Just, live life and just be okay. Yeah. You see, I have these two portraits there. I'm thinking of changing this stuff, man. This stuff has been here from the time we got here. I'm thinking of switching up this stuff here. You guys see that? That one says execution over hesitation. Right, okay, let me try and move the camera so you guys can see. Alright, so okay. You guys see this side. Okay. There, right? I'm talking about these two. These two here. Right. The other one there is me on the Mercedes that I'm about to sell. Right, this Mercedes is actually going on sale right now. Right, this one I'm selling it right now. So selling literally all the cars. So I think I'm switching up this stuff. I don't know what you guys think. And then I have these portraits here. Let me show you guys this. All right, I have some cool portraits here. I have this one. This is my wife who did this. All right, she did this when we were having this baby. And then I have this one. We did it together there. Right, yeah. Amazing stuff, guys. I'll see you next Wednesday. In fact, this Wednesday. Okay, someone says I'm learning a lot and see where I've been making mistakes. Beautiful, man. Keep on learning, keep on making adjustments and improving. Someone says be your own greatness. Today's live stream has been beautiful. Amazing stuff. I love to hear that. I'm coming for the workout session. Yeah, you should. Vega here. Let me pass a comment on him. Right, he's been working out. Right, listen, guys. Mr. Vega has been working out consecutively for the past he's been doing like a 90 day thing, like I don't know what he calls it, like a 90-day workout scheme, whatever. I think he should be like in his 45 day, or like I don't know, maybe like 50th day or something. This guy has been working out for that long. I'm not seeing any changes on him. Okay, maybe I shouldn't expect so much, or maybe I'm not seeing him like a person for some time. No, but we met last time. We went like for Yomap's show together, and honestly, bro, I didn't see any change on your body, man. I didn't see anything. I'm not seeing it. Maybe like inner strength. I don't know that. Oh. Okay, somebody says I enjoy today. Always enjoy. I'll be there on Wednesday. Okay, beautiful. Is there any way I can like the video more than once? You can do this after the video ends. Just go and comment, right? Not on the live chat. Go and comment on the actual video. That's you liking more than once. Oh yeah. Yeah, I enjoyed myself today too, man. It's been beautiful. It's been amazing. Thanks a lot. We meet on Wednesday again. Anytime. Florence seems to have gone off. Oh, okay. Yeah, Florence has gone off. Guys, I'll see you on Wednesday. Florence has become famous. Yeah, I'll make you famous here when I just talk about you. Guys, we'll see you again Wednesday, right? Peace out. Have fun. Trade safely. Enjoy your week, and let's make some money, right? Yep. Let's do that, right? Someone says, guys, let's like the video. Yeah, let's go. Like the video, right? That doesn't even put money in my what's this thing? It doesn't. Mr. Vega is coming out now. Woo, okay. Now I haven't seen any change on you, man. I haven't. Okay, guys, peace out. Have a beautiful time, and I'm out of here, right? Let's enjoy. Go share the video. Go do whatever you can do to just show the support so I can remain coming here. All right. Florence is still here. Okay, Florence, hit me up, okay? Let me help you open an account. We should work out together. I think so. Charlie seems to be a big guy. Like, we've made a lot of time with Charlie. I think he's like heavy. I think the guy knows what he does when he hits the gym. Like when he goes and he's doing workouts. I think he knows what he's doing. Right? I think that's like one thing that separates all of us, right? Some of us can be doing one thing 100 times and not seeing results, like Mr. Vega, right? Because maybe we don't do the right thing, okay? But Charlie has he's muscular. He's good. He knows what he's doing, right? So I think I'll invite Charlie one day and work out together, or maybe I'll just go and work out with him whenever he works out, right? So, guys, I'm out of here, right? So peace out. Have fun.